A current of undeniable change began to flow. India was turning into a new frequency, the era of the mobile phone. And with it, our era was redefined. The past and future split forever. In Kottakkal, a land known for Ayurveda, a town renowned for its healing heritage, a quiet tech revolution took shape. Sales, rentals, repairs, even antennas were rented out. And one name echoed through every street: Britco. From trusted hands in a small town, we grew to become service partners for telecom giants like Kottakkal and BPL Mobile. Britco became their choice service partner. With their trust, we expanded across Kerala, setting new standards in new mobile care. A first for India, a full-fledged mobile phone repairing institute was launched in Kottakkal, a new benchmark in skill development. Strategic partnerships enabled a seamless transition from service to training. Kottakkal transformed into a global hub where classrooms became hands-on labs. Students from around the world came not for healing, but to gain immersive practical skills. We stepped into Delhi with our first franchise in Karol Bagh Market, one of the world's biggest mobile trading hubs. It became our master franchise, the launchpad of our national journey. Then we crossed borders. Our first international franchise in Dera, Dubai. We built the Britco Institute network, a bold new model combining classroom and real-world industry exposure. Britco entered mobile device trading, tools, accessories, and spare parts. But we didn't just trade. We stepped into the manufacturing sector, where we built brands, B-Trend and Yemparts, ProStyle, Ashaya, a global line born from trust. We rebranded not just a new look, a renewed mission, a broader purpose, a stronger identity to lead the future. That same year, we stepped in and marked our footprint in the automobile industry with a bold move into automobile electronics. Launched the Institute of Automobile Technology to train future-ready professionals. Wherever there's a problem, we are there with a technology-driven solution. Techtify, where technology meets rectification. From solar to CCTV to smart homes, Techtify brought solutions to every spaces. With Project X, we began where it matters most, teaching electronics from the earliest level. This is more than learning. It's nation building. We are shaping a generation ready to lead. A child-centered call to power the future. Be one step ahead. We launched India's first AR/VR enabled tech classroom. Months later, Britcoverse was born, the world's first metaverse for mobile phone repair learning. Britco became an academic partner for NCVT and the Telecom Sector Skill Council, TSSC, India's leading bodies for telecom skill development, a recognition that strengthened our national impact. In Dubai, Britco became the first KHDA-approved mobile institute, reaffirming our global commitment to vocational excellence. We have come a long way, but there's more to do. Growing with purpose, building with vision, innovating for what's next. 25 years strong. A game changer in vocational training. The Triple PPP model. Practice, practical, practice. A modern fix for an outdated theory-heavy syllabus. Real practice, backed by practical-based theory, preparing students for real work. This is how we improved vocational training across the country. Our global service brand, delivering trusted care worldwide. New rooted locally is set to grow into a global network. BServe. Students from 45 plus countries, 11,000 plus alumni trained to global standards. Devices repaired across 105 plus nations. We have over 500,000 happy customers and counting. A global alumni network shaped by world-class training. Our alumni don't just get jobs, they create them. 100 plus tech startups in AI, robotics, electronics, powered by Britco minds. This is Britco and Britco, more than an institute, a legacy of empowerment, a bridge across generations, a torchbearer of transformation. Thank you for being part of our journey. Let's build what's next together.